spices from the Spice King.
Let's go. We about to make the best jerk wings on the planet, and it's gonna be so easy because it's in the air fryer. Then we're gonna top it off with a jerk ranch sauce. Oh, it's gonna be so amazing. Let me show you how we're gonna do it. All Caribbean households make what we call a green seasoning, and it's just a puree of scallions, onions, garlic, and ginger, and scotch bonnet peppers. Easy. Put it in a dough. We're gonna take some of our green seasoning. I have about 4.5 pounds of wings. We're gonna add our green seasoning. We're gonna add some Spice King jerk chicken. Listen, don't bother with that other trash in the stores. Cook with the Spice King. We're gonna put that right on top. There we go. And we're gonna save some for later because we're gonna put some on the outside afterwards. Next, we're gonna add another secret, just a little bit of Chinese 5 spice powder. Just a little bit. Oh, I love the smell of that. And that mixed with the Spice King jerk seasoning, amazing. Next, we're gonna add a little bit of lime zest. Half of a lime juice. I'm gonna add 2 Jamaican Scotch bonnet peppers. Into the wings it goes. I'm gonna add a little bit of dark soy sauce. A splash of Thai fish sauce for extra umami. Finally, we get to just mix it all together. Just like this. Oh yeah, this is gonna be some of the best jerk chicken you ever had. Now we're gonna take our jerk seasoned wings and we're gonna put them right in the air fryer. Finally, we're just gonna dust off the top with a little bit more Spice King. Oh yeah. There we go. Start. All the wings are cooking. Let's make our jerk ranch sauce. This sauce is gonna taste like $1 million, but it's so simple to make. The first thing we're gonna do is take a little blender. We're gonna add 1/3 cup of sour cream. We're gonna add 1/3 cup of buttermilk. And we're gonna add 1/3 cup of mayonnaise. Every Caribbean household makes green seasoning, which is a puree of scallions, garlic, ginger, bell peppers, cilantro, whatever you want to add. It's in there, but it's a raw green seasoning. And we're gonna add just a pinch of it, maybe like a tablespoon or so. And the star of this sauce is the Spice King jerk seasoning. I'm gonna put a little bit of that in there. Next, we're gonna add some fresh lime zest. The zest of 1/2 of a lime. Squeeze of fresh lime juice for some extra acidity. We're gonna add a splash of soy sauce. We're gonna add just a little sprinkle of Chinese 5 spice powder. Fresh cracked black pepper. Splash of Thai fish sauce for umami. And then we're gonna blend it all together. Oh yeah. Now it's time to do a little taste test. Damn, it's good. All it needs now is a little bit of fresh parsley. We're gonna add a little bit of fresh chives, dill. Then we're just gonna add a little bit more fresh cracked black pepper because I just love the flavor of black pepper in my ranch sauces. It's always just so good. Finally, we're gonna take our spoon and we're gonna mix it. Beautiful texture and beautiful flavor. Ladies and gentlemen, the moment we've all been waiting for, the Spice King's jerk wings. Yeah, you know it looks good. Stop playing. Yeah, with a little bit of that oil, yeah. Next, We're gonna add a little knob of butter. And we're gonna add a little bit more of the Spice King jerk seasoning just to go on top. Just like that. That way you get a burst of flavor. Next, we're gonna just toss it so that that butter and that jerk seasoning coats each wing. It's time to lay the sauce on the line, y'all. We're taking some of this jerk ranch sauce and just drizzling it all over the wings. It's gonna be so heavenly, so delicious, so crispy, and so damn flavorful. I invented cooking. Stop playing with me. But there's more. There's more. I'm gonna take a little bit of the brand new Scotch bonnet Spice King sauce, y'all. Stop and Shop has it. And we're gonna just drizzle it for garnish. Look at that, y'all. Beautiful color. We're gonna take a little bit of red and orange peppers for garnish. A little bit of chopped chives for garnish. And a little bit of diced shallots. Look at that, y'all. Look at these jerk wings, y'all. So delicious. Now it's time for me to take my glasses off so I can see the glory, so I can see the flavor. Y'all ready for this? Look at that, y'all. The color, the flavor, the beauty. Damn, that's good. What? Enjoy.
Cheers.
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 You guys like it? It's good? Good? Cool. And everybody, it's the Spice King Keith Lorren, and I invented cooking. Guess what? You can go to Stop and Shop grocery stores right now and see the brand new Spice King shipping display. Yeah, you see it. Yeah, you taste it. Yeah, you smell it. And guess what? We have a brand new Scotch bonnet hot sauce. I'm so excited about it. You can go to Stop and Shop right now and grab some. Love y'all.